मेरे साथ ही हमेशा बुरा होता है। सारी बुरी चीजें बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है मेरे साथ, अच्छी चीजें कुछ भी नहीं होती। आई यू समवन जिसके साथ भी ये सारी चीजें हो रही है? आई यू समवन जिसके साथ भी बहुत जल्दी बुरा हो जाता है? बहुत इजीली आप बुरा मैनिफेस्ट कर लेते हो, बट अच्छा मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए आपको काफी टाइम लगता है। Hi, I'm Deepika. I'm a mindset and a manifestation coach, and in this video we are going to dissect आपके साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है, आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ऐसा क्या है कि आप बुरी चीजें बहुत जल्दी मैनिफेस्ट कर लेते हो और अच्छी चीजें मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए आपको टाइम लगती है। Let's get started. So, let me tell you कि आपका जो आउटर रियलिटी है, आपका आउटर रियलिटी इज एग्जैक्टली द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर इनर रियलिटी। आपके सबकॉन्शियस थॉट्स, पैटर्न्स, बिलीव्स जो भी हैं, योर आउटर रियलिटी इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम। फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके सबकॉन्शियस थॉट्स में है कि आप कम पैसा कमाते हो, आप इजीली क्लाइंट्स क्लोज नहीं कर पाते, आपके साथ ही सारी बुरी चीजें होती हैं, यू सी आपका लाइफ एग्जैक्टली वो शो कर रहा होगा। ओके, और इफ यू डू नॉट नो व्हाट योर सबकॉन्शियस बिलीव्स आर, I want you to look into your life, look into all the areas of your life, starting from your health to your relationships to your finances, whatever situation your your area of life is, that is the subconscious belief that you have. Okay, for an example, if you are not satisfied with the money that you are making, अगर आप ज्यादा पैसा, बहुत टाइम से आप हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हो पर आप ज्यादा पैसा कमा नहीं रहे, then it is the reflection that you have in your subconscious mind. You have that belief that making money is very hard. ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करके भी पैसे नहीं आते, and all of these patterns. ठीक है, now getting to the point कि why do we manifest bad things so easily? All right, and why is it so difficult to actually attract good things? Now, हमारा जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंडसेट है, हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है, हमने उसको इतने सालों से वी हैव ट्रेन्ड इट इन अ वे कि आज वो ऐसा है। ओके, लेट मी गिव यू दिस एग्जांपल। व्हेन वी वर अ चाइल्ड, ऑलराइट, कहीं ना कहीं से हमको एक्सटर्नली सुनने को मिला कि लाइफ इज वेरी हार्ड, लाइफ इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड you then started to experience small hurdles in your life as well, and you really started believing, oh my god, yes, life is really difficult, life is hard, if you need to get success you need to work really hard. ये सब चीजें जो इतने सालों से आपने रिपीट करा है अपने दिमाग में, इतने सालों से आपने उसको इतनी बार दोहराया है कि इट हैज बिकम अ परमानेंट पैटर्न इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड। नाउ, जब कोई भी चीज होती है इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, ओके, आज के टाइम में जब आप कोई भी नेगेटिव चीज बोलते हो, ऑलराइट, या फिर कोई भी ऐसा चीज आप सोचते हो या बिलीव करते हो कि ये वाला काम बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, ये जॉब मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, ये बिजनेस करना बहुत मुश्किल है, मेरे साथ तो यार इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा, when you say that, you are strengthening the belief even more. It is the most least resistance path for you to manifest that bad thing. You know why? Because आपने इतने टाइम से आपके ब्रेन को ट्रेन किया है ना कि it has started to believe and it has actually started to attract all the same things so many times that it has become the least resistance path for you to manifest. Okay? तो जब भी आप बोलते हो कि आई एम नॉट गुड, मेरे साथ नहीं अच्छा होता, यू चूज द लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस पाथ टू अट्रैक्ट इट एंड इट हैपेंस इन अ मोमेंट। नाउ, अगर आप कोई अच्छी चीज भी बोलते हो कि आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट, आई एम दिस, आई एम द बेस्ट, आई एम पावरफुल, आई एम ऑल ऑफ दिस, योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज अनेबल टू रजिस्टर इट in 1 or 2 takes, in maybe after repeating it for a couple of weeks as well, your subconscious mind is unable to absorb it completely. It's unable to embody the version that you want to become. अभी तक वो embody और absorb किया नहीं है, because there is this pattern since so many years, 20-30 years since you have been repeating the same thing, and in order for you to change your subconscious mind, it will take quite some time. Okay, that is the reason why आपके लिए नेगेटिव चीजें, नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस अट्रैक्ट करना इतना इजी हो गया है. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू एक्चुअली अट्रैक्ट पॉजिटिव थिंग्स, amazing money, amazing relationship, amazing health, amazing glow up, amazing confidence, amazing transformation, what you need to do is you need to अच्छे से work on your subconscious mind and its rewiring. Now जब भी बुरी चीज होती है आप इस जोन में चले जाओगे कि यार देखा, मैंने बोला था कि मेरे साथ ये बुरा चीज होगा, and see it has happened. Now what you need to think in that place is, this is just a subconscious pattern and it just manifested in this way, and that's absolutely okay. And you change your thought, okay, this is a subconscious pattern. Now I change it that every single thing goes in my way. Every thought that comes to you, if that is negative, you need to break the pattern, you need to interrupt the pattern, and you need to change it, to rewire and to become a complete new personality inside, okay, so that it reflects on your outside. As simple as that. It will take some time, it will take a month or two, depending upon your journey, depending upon your transformation. अभी तक आपने कितना खुद पे काम किया है. अगर आप एक बिगिनर हो, you will take some time, or if you have been working on yourself, you will easily change your patterns. You will be like really easily able to change it, and you will start seeing great things happening around. This is the whole concept. Manifesting the easiest things, manifesting abundance, manifesting great things is going to become very very easy for you जब आप least resistance path choose करोगे. जब आप एक least resistance path आपका subconscious बन जाएगा for it to manifest. क्योंकि अभी उस पाथ में ना बहुत सारे रेजिस्टेंस है, बहुत सारे सेल्फ डाउट्स हैं, नेगेटिव थॉट्स हैं, जो कि आपको इजिली वो अट्रैक्ट कर मतलब नहीं करा पा रहा. Now once you break this pattern, once you interrupt it every single time, you are repeating it. You are repeating the positive thoughts, positive beliefs. That is creating a change. That is creating a new rewiring. And in no time, you're going to see so many magic, miracle, like abundance in your life. There are magical incidences, magical success stories happening in my coaching community, जिसमें people who were thinking कि they'll shift to their dream apartment in next 1 year, they're able to do it in just 2 months. The people who were thinking कि I cannot get out of this negativity, I cannot get out of this breakup, I cannot create a new life, they are doing it in just a couple of weeks or days even. This is the power of you interrupting the patterns. This is the power of you to making the positive beliefs the least resistance path for you to manifest things. Okay, I want you to watch this video over and over again till you actually understand and actually embody the feeling ki okay, everything that I am creating is my creation. It is my reality. Whatever you have in your life, if you have low money, you need to see that what are the beliefs that I am creating, okay, that are there in my mind. What are the fears, what are the doubts that I have in my mind that is actually creating these kind of circumstances in our life. Our life is exactly the mirror of who we are internally. Your mirror cannot show you anything that you are not, okay. Whatever is outside, whatever it's visible outside is exactly what you have inside. Now if you want to deep dive, if you want to create magnificent changes, if you want to create abundance in your life, you need to first create abundance mindset within yourself. You need to break all the negative beliefs, self-doubt, and all the resistances that you have within. And it's a very fun process, honestly. Most of the people think that it's a very tough and a very boring process, but it's the most fun process and the most life transforming process that you can ever go through. Alright, if you need more help, please check out my Instagram page. I post a lot of content around manifestation, confidence, developing self-worth. You are going to love it and it'll be a lot of help for you. You can join my free WhatsApp community. Link is maybe in the description, and check out my Instagram page. You'll get all the details. You can also join me in my one-on-one coaching program where I take the charge of your life. I help you to even take the charge of your life, get to the driver's seat, and help you drive the car of your life, okay, and create all the magic that you want to. Please check my Instagram and do follow me. Please subscribe to this channel, hit that like, give the comment what you want to, and see how life changes once you follow all of these things. I'm so excited that you are over here, because only brave people take action to change themselves. Thank you so much.